Oh, hi, puppy. You ready for bed? Yeah. Yeah, it's time for bed. Come on. It's 12 in the morning. It's time to go to sleep. All right? Come on. There you go. I know. I know. I know, puppy. I know you don't want to go to sleep. But look, you're not going to have any energy for tomorrow if you stay up. And you know where we gotta go, right? Yeah, all the way down out of state. I really don't want to go down there, but it's whatever. Yeah, I know. I don't really want to go anywhere, but whatever. Come on, pup. Come lay down. Actually, like, grab this. One second. There you go. Saw your eyes light up as soon as you heard that. Hmm. Aw, you're so adorable. Pretty puppy. You want to put the collar on? Hmm? You want to put it on? Come on, come here. There you go. Such a good puppy. Okay. It's time to settle down for the night, okay? Yeah, we can talk. Yeah, I kind of gave in quick because I know you're gonna make that face. Yeah, that one. It's always like I know you use that just to get your way, but you look so cute when you do that. Oh, I thought you should know. I'm not gonna be here on Monday of next week. Yeah, like when you wake up. I have to go get my new ID. Yeah, mine expired like a week ago, and I was just putting that off. Yeah. Come here, though. Come on, closer. Hear the rain? It's pretty nice. We haven't had any rain in a while, huh? It's just all been snow. I know. At least we're getting some rain. Knowing the states of weather, it's probably just gonna go back to snow. So enjoy the rain while it lasts. Yeah, starting to fall asleep a little. Come here. Hi, puppy. Oh, such a good boy. Yeah, I'm just saying this on purpose. I like seeing you get flustered. What? You're so cute when you're flustered. Aw. Oh. Mm. You want your leash? Yeah? Okay. One second. Right. There you go. we're not gonna keep the collar on, or sorry, leash on. Yeah, not throughout the whole night. That'll get a little too uncomfortable. Just having it on while we talk. Just to pull you closer to me little by little, till you finally notice and get flustered. There you go. It looks good on you. Such a good puppy. Oh, look at you get all flustered. You're so adorable. Ah, you're so adorable, aren't you, puppy? I know. You ready? It's time to go to sleep. Yeah, I know I didn't keep the leash on for long, but let's make up for it. Hi. Yeah, I wanted to pull you close. What's wrong with that? So adorable. So adorable. Such a good puppy. Such a good puppy. Okay, I'll take the leash off. Just set it right on the nightstand. There you go. Need me, I can just pull your collar. Yeah, by the clasp. Oh, don't act like you wouldn't like it. Yeah, I know you would. You look so adorable. Oh, jokes aside, I really, really love you. Yeah, you're just so perfect. God, you're adorable. Okay, think it's time, we head to bed, okay? Let me blow you in one last kiss. Mm. There you go. Good night, pup. Sweet dreams. Hmm.